How to fix your slow laptop or computer performance. So if you want to fix your slow laptop or computer performance, then just right click on the taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Under Task Manager, you just need to simply go with the Startup Apps. And under Startup Apps, you need to disable all of your startup apps, which I've already done. So you just need to simply go and disable all of the startup apps. And once you've disabled, your problem will be fixed. Now, the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for disk cleanup. Once you go with the disk cleanup, you just need to simply choose the C drive. Once you choose, go with OK, and you will get this kind of interface. And here you will have cleanup system files. Click on it and select the C drive and click on OK and wait for some time till it cleans. And once you've done, now you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and select all of these options. So simply select all of these boxes. And once you've selected all of the files, go with OK and then click on delete files and wait for some time. So till it runs in the background now, you need to go with the third step, which is you just need to simply go with the search again. Under search, you need to search for view advanced system settings and you'll get this kind of interface. So here you need to go with the advanced tab and then go with settings. Here you just need to simply choose the option of adjust for best performance as I've already done and go with apply and then click on OK. Once you've done these settings, you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your slow laptop or computer performance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.